How to disable any keys on the keyboard in Windows. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can disable any key in your keyboard in a Windows device. So without any further ado, let's dive right in. First step is you'll need to search for PowerToys for your Windows. So open up a web browser and search for PowerToys. You'll find a website by Microsoft. You can just see the install PowerToys option right here. Tap on install PowerToys and it'll take you to this page. Now here you'll need to scroll down and there you'll find install PowerToys. Tap on that and it will take you to a GitHub page where you'll need to scroll down under assets and download whichever version is most suitable for you. I am downloading this one. And after the download completes, you can open it up. After you open it up, start setting it up. We'll do that right away. So there we go. Agree here, tap on install. Give it permission and it should begin your installation. So while this happens, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. And at the end, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like as well. So as you can see, we're almost done with this installation. Again, if any other versions are more compatible with you, you can always check those versions out. And also, you can see if you need any installer hashes, those are available there as well. So let's wait till this completes. So there you can see the installation was completed. Now you can close this up. After you close it, you can then search for PowerToys in your search bar. And there we go. You can open it up. So open up your PowerToys and this is what it's going to look like. Let me close everything else and there we go. Now what we're going to do here is we will just change our keyboard. So head over to Keyboard Manager here, tap on it, and after you're on your Keyboard Manager, you first need to revamp your settings. So to remap a key or remap a shortcut, you'll need to open PowerToys settings. So tap on Open Settings, and there we go, we are on PowerToys settings. Now here, enable Keyboard Manager, and tap on Remap a key. And again, you'll be prompted to another page right like this. Now you'll need to tap on Add Key Mapping or Add Key Remapping, my bad. And from here, tap on Select to select whichever key that you want to disable. So tap on Select, and here you'll need to press whichever key that you want. So I'll just press Q and then tap on OK. Doing that, here you'll need to send option where you can just expand here. You will see different options. What I'm going to do is just disable it. So on the top, you'll find the disable button, tap on disable, and finally tap on OK. So continue. And after you do that, your now Q will stop working. Now you can try that out in your notepad as well. You can head over and start searching, but the Q or whichever key that you just disabled will not work anymore. And that's basically it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.